I want to talk about hot and cold running water at an off-grid cabin. We'll start with the water heater. It's an EcoTemp L10. We bought the kit, so it came with a 12-volt flow jet water pump. They both perform flawlessly. We've enjoyed having them, but after 2 years and dealing with winter time, I really wish now that I would have purchased the tank style RV water heater, probably a 5-gallon water heater. They recover really fast. Just going over pros and cons. At night, when it's going to be a hard freeze, we have to winterize this one, where a tank style, we just leave it on. And if the temperature of the water gets below set point, the heat element comes on, it heats the water back up, and you go through the night without your water heater freezing. Other than that, this is great. It really wasn't designed to be a permanent install anyway, so I don't want to sound like I'm bashing this water heater. That's a problem that you'll run into really just because you've permanently mounted it. So you do have to winterize it, either by removing a plug on the bottom. Even if you didn't permanently mount it, you still need to drain the water out. It won't all just drain out when you disconnect the hoses. So I've set up a way to winterize it right here. This is just an RV winterizing kit. It's a 3-way valve. You turn the valve to where the pump will pull from this tube, drop the tube down into your antifreeze, and let it run until you have pink coming out your spigots. It's not a problem. It's really a convenient item to add to the cabin if you're going to do something like we've done. I'm going to move on over to our rainwater, how we capture rainwater and how that's worked out. Here's how we collect our rainwater. First of all, we have a home-built first flush system. This is where your first water that comes off your roof is diverted into this. You don't want that going into your tank. That's got pollen and dust and dirt and whatever small particles that get past the screen on the gutter go right here. There's a ball inside that floats up as the water level rises, and then it closes off a narrowed section in this fitting. Once that happens, your rainwater coming off the roof should be fairly clean, and it just rides right across the top of that ball and then diverts over into the holding tank. If you didn't have this ball, the water would still get in here and you'd have turbulence, which would keep this water mixing all the time, and you'd still get the dirty water, trash that's in the water, that transfer over into your tank. The ball closes that up, and you rarely get anything transferring over. A little bit of maintenance on this. You have to clean a strainer. This on the bottom. The strainer is designed to trap particles that would stop this little hole. The purpose of this hole is to allow the water to drain out of the first flush system so it's reset for the next rain. So you do have to keep this clean. I clean it probably every other time I come out here if I know we've had a lot of rain, and I've never had any problems with it. Even if it's completely coated, it's still, in the course of a week, we're usually out here just on the weekends, the water's drained down. So you have a float. That's the float that's on the inside. Sometimes it'll get dirty and you need to clean it off too, but That's how we get our rainwater. We bring water to drink and to cook with from the house. We only use this for washing dishes and taking showers and washing your hands and all. But it works out really well for us. So can't believe I don't have that large tank out here yet. One day. Well, that's it for the video today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more on my channel, hit subscribe and click on the bell. Thanks for watching.